Hello friends, learn maths from home. I am Nitin Mittal making maths class videos for class 10. Subscribe my channel, like it and get the benefit. Hello students. In today's lecture we are going to do exercise 3.4 statement questions. Question number 1 that we have already done. Solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. This question we have done. We are doing the statement problems. So, second question if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So students, this is a fraction question. In fraction questions, any fraction question, there is a set pattern of starting. So how we should start in such questions, how to take the variables. So let us start. So the first thing is we will assume the variables for this. So we know in fraction there are two things, one numerator and one denominator, right? So we will write let the fraction is equal to x over y, where x stands for numerator and y stands for denominator. Now we have to proceed according to the question. We will write case 1 means first situation that is being given in the question statement according to question. Now let me read again. They are saying if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. So we have to do what they say. So numerator is x. So 1 we have to add in numerator and we have to subtract 1 from the denominator, and when we do this then fraction reduces to 1. So it means it will be equal to 1, right? Now we will simplify. X plus 1, y plus minus 1 will go that side. Now let me bring variables on left hand side and non-variables on right hand sides, constants. So this will give you equation 1. Now in the same way we will make the equation 2. So case 2 according to question. Let me read the second line of the statement. They are saying it becomes, it means this fraction becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator, means numerator will remain same. The 1 we are adding in denominator. Now fraction becomes 1 by 2, cross multiply. 2x is equal to y plus 1. Bring the variables on left hand side and constant will remain on right hand side because we have to apply elimination method, right? So let it be equation 2. So now we have a pair of linear equations. Now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to apply elimination method for the solution. So I hope you remember, in elimination method we have to decide to eliminate one variable which is easy to eliminate. Now if you see here, y in both the equations, coefficient of y is 1. So it is already same. So I think we should target y. So signs are same, minus in both the equations. So to eliminate, sign must be opposite. So we have to decide whether we will add the equation or subtract the equation. As the signs are same, so we will subtract. So we will write subtract equation 2 from equation 1, or you may subtract equation 1 from equation 2, doesn't matter. So I am writing equation 2 from equation 1, means equation 1 I have to write first. X minus y equal to minus 2. 2x minus y equal to 1. Subtract means you have to change the sign of lower equation. So now you see this lower y coefficient sign is plus now, So minus y plus y cancel. So here we get minus of x equal to minus 3. So minus minus cancel. X will be equal to 3. So now to get the value of y, what we will do, we will put this x value in any of the equation to get y. So we'll write put x equal to 3 in equation 1. So what will we get? Let me see. So 3 minus y equal to minus 2, right? So what y will come? Y will be equal to 5. So y will come 5. So we got both the value of x and y. Now we can easily write the friction. So what we will write? We will write so required friction is equal to 3/5. Answer.